Is your WordPress site making your Chrome browser scream with malware warnings? Don't panic, we've got you covered. First, let's pinpoint the problem. Look for unusual redirects, pop-up ads appearing out of nowhere, strange new toolbars in Chrome, or notifications that your WordPress site is infected. Your browser might also be acting sluggish or displaying suspicious error messages. These are red flags signaling a potential malware infection impacting your site and your browsing experience. Next, it's time for a thorough digital cleanse. Access your WordPress admin area and immediately run a comprehensive malware scan. There are excellent security plugins available that can do this for you. They'll scan your core files, themes, and plugins for any malicious code. Let the scan complete fully and identify any threats. Once the scan highlights the infected files, it's crucial to remove them. Most security plugins offer an auto-clean or quarantine option. Follow the plugin's instructions to delete or isolate the malware. Be sure to remove any suspicious new files or code snippets you don't recognize. Even if they weren't flagged by the initial scan, this might involve deleting modified core files or even entire compromised plugins or themes if you're unsure about a file. It's best to consult your hosting provider or a security expert. With your WordPress site cleaned, let's ensure your browser is also secure. Go into your Chrome settings and review your extensions. Remove any you don't recognize or didn't intentionally install. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, and then reset Chrome's settings to their default. This helps eliminate any lingering malicious data or configurations that might have been implanted. Finally, let's prevent this from happening again. Always keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated to the latest versions. Use strong, unique passwords for your WordPress admin and hosting accounts. Consider implementing two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Regularly backing up your website is also essential, so you can restore it if the worst happens. By following these steps, you'll have a clean WordPress site and a malware-free Chrome experience.